Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe, and if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch another one of my videos. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how to start a lip gloss business. We're all on lockdown now, so I'm making this video just in case you need to start a business or something, just to motivate you to maybe start a business. I don't know, but just make sure you use this lockdown time really wisely. By the way, thanks to my mom for making my top. I love it. And the do-rag is from Esther Cosmetics. So a little bit about me. My name is Esther. I'm 20 years old and I own a business called Esther Cosmetics. I've owned the business now for a year, almost 2 years now. So yeah, let me just get started. So the first thing that you need to start a lip gloss business is you need to come up with a name, and make sure the name is available on Instagram, and make sure you get a website. So as soon as you come up with the name, make sure you check if it's available on Instagram. Like, even if it's like a letter missing or something, just make sure the name is available and it's not confusing for people to look for. So the second thing that I also need is the resources, which would be the majority of this video. So I've got a lot of things on the table here that I would show you. So let's just get started. So this is in no particular order, actually, maybe. So the first thing that you would need to start a lip gloss business is a lip gloss base or lip gloss gel. So it looks, this is the one I sell. I do wholesale gloss base. So if you need, I'll leave the link to my website in the description box. Just click on it and have a look around. So I would open this for you to see. So this is like, as you can see, it's really like sticky. So this is what makes the gloss. It just looks like that. It's called a gloss base or Versagel. So yeah, you need this. Okay. So this is the first thing that you need, a lip gloss base. The second thing that you need is any oil of your choice. It can be coconut oil, actually not coconut oil, because it solidifies at room temperature. So you don't need coconut oil. So like olive oil, vitamin E oil, like literally any oil of your choice. As you can see that this is really sticky, and if you don't want, like, depending on how sticky you want your lip gloss to be, that's how much oil you're going to need. And if you really don't want it like a bit watered down, then you don't really need to put any oil. But to make it extra moisturizing, you need to add a bit of oil. So the next thing that you need would be flavoring oils. So it's just gonna look like that. So depending on what flavor you want the lip gloss to be, then for example, my crystal gloss is flavored pineapple, and the brownie gloss is flavored chocolate. So depending on the scent and the flavor that you want your lip gloss to have, then you need flavoring oils. So, and if you want it to have a taste as well, you can get food flavoring, but I just do the scent because. So the next thing that you need to start your lip gloss business is glitters. This is a couple. We'll soon start to offer glitters on the website as well to add to our wholesale collection, but this is just a few colors. So you need glitters. This is holographic, this is brown, and this is green. So you need, if you want your lip gloss to have a bit of glitter in it, you need not craft glitter, you need cosmetic glitters. So like this one is really fine and it's not going to hurt your lips or cause tears or whatever in your lips. So remember, it's not craft glitter, you need cosmetic glitter. Yes. So the next thing that you need, when you come up with a name, you need a business card. So this is what mine looks like. That's the front, and that's what the back looks like. And if you've ordered from me before, you know you get one of these every order, in every purchase that you make. So you need business card. That is after you've sorted out the name and the website and everything. So the next thing that you need is pigments for your lip glosses. If you want to make only clear lip glosses, then you don't need this, but if you add a bit of color to your lip gloss base, then you need to get pigments. So this is what a color, this is red. Very soon as well, we would add pigments to our wholesale collection on the website. So this is what it looks like. It looks like loose eyeshadow, and make sure you get cosmetic pigments as well, not like watercolor or something. Make sure it's good for makeup, cosmetic, like anything that you need to search for your lip glosses, make sure it's cosmetic based. So the next thing that you need is containers. I don't have any empty ones, so I'll just show you the one with lip glosses in it. So currently I offer 2 containers or 2 gloss tubes. So I've got the 1 tube and the squeeze tubes. So this is my crystal gloss. As you can see, it's got holographic glitters in it. And this is brownie. This is shameless. Ooh, matches my do-rag. That's shameless gloss. And this is butterfly kisses. This is baby girl. This is just a few of the glosses that we have on the website right now. Oh my god. So for this one, I used purple pigment, this one brown pigment, and chocolate scented flavoring oils. And I use olive oil to mix my lip gloss base. So the next thing that you would, so like, yeah, there are different styles of 1 tubes and there are different sizes. This is 8 milliliters and this is 8 milliliters as well. So there are different sizes of this as well. But I think this is the, this is not the smallest you can get. This is like the medium, and this is the medium as well. And there are different styles, sizes of both. So this is the flat top. There's a dome top as well. And yeah. So the next thing you will need to start a lip gloss business is a syringe. So this one is how to get the lip gloss base, because it's really sticky. Is how to get it from like wherever you mixed it into these tubes, and it can be really difficult. So you also need a pipette as well. And if you order a gloss base from my website, you will get 2 of this in your package every single time. So all you just need to do to get it like this is cut off that like roughly about there and there as well, and you tape it on really tight onto your syringe. And this syringe is 60 milliliters, so you can get bigger or can get smaller depending on what you can find. So like this is like really big, and it makes the job really easy. Trust me, I've been through the difficult stage of trying to get the lip gloss into the tube without a syringe. So yeah, so remember, if you order any size, because we have 100 ml, 200, 300 and 500, you would get 2 of this free in your package. So the next thing that you would need, this is not a necessity, but it's just to make your packaging a little bit more concise and presentable. So these are called mesh bags. We have this on the website currently. We have all of these colors available. So we have this in a pack of 10, 5, 10, 20, I think, and 50. I'm not too sure. But yeah, this is just what it looks like. So if you're packaging your orders, you just have your lip gloss and whatever and put it in there, and then which leads me on to the next one. You need a bubble mailer or like a shipping bag or something. So this is the one I use. There are different options out there. A bubble mailer I find is a lot more expensive, and why would I want to spend so much money on something that people will still throw away anyways? So I thought like using this is really cheap. I get 100 for like £3-4 on eBay. So yeah, we don't offer this on the website currently, but maybe soon. So when you put your lip gloss in the mesh bag, you just literally put it in there and you seal it, and that's it. So that is everything that I can think of right now that you need to start a lip gloss business. If you have anything else, kindly leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to DM my business page at S Cosmetics on Instagram, and I would reply to you. Kindly follow my business page as well. There's a giveaway that is ending tomorrow because today is Friday and I'm going to post this video today. So kindly follow, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you so much for watching once again. Stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.